Hey everyone, today we're making juicy chicken gyros. Quick, flavorful, and easy. I'm using tortillas instead of pita bread, and it works perfectly as a soft wrap for this Greek-inspired meal. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, a half teaspoon black pepper, a half teaspoon salt, a half tablespoon paprika, a half tablespoon honey, optional. Whisk together. Add the chicken and coat evenly. Use skinless, boneless to pounds chicken breast. Poke the chicken with a fork to help the marinade soak in and boost flavor. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or overnight for best flavor. Chop 1 tablespoon mint, 1 tablespoon parsley or dill. Hey friends, where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being here with me today. Traditional Tzatziki sauce includes grated cucumber, so you feel free to add it. Prepare herbed yogurt sauce. In a bowl, mix the Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and chopped mint and parsley. Season with salt and pepper. Add a little lemon zest for brightness. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to balance the acidity. Chill until ready to use. Heat a pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Grill or cook the chicken breast for 6 or 7 minutes per side, or until fully cooked and slightly charred. Wipe the sides of the pan with damp kitchen paper if needed. Use a meat thermometer to check doughness for safety. Internal temp should reach 165 F or 70 for C. Let rest for a few minutes, then slice into strips. Chop the lettuce. Cut the grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. Slice the red onion. Slice the pan-grilled chicken. Look, juicy and nicely cooked chicken. Traditionally, gyros are wrapped in Greek pita bread, but I'm using tortillas today. They're easy to find and work just as well for this wrap. Warm the tortillas. Place it on the serving plate. Layer with lettuce, tomatoes, sliced chicken, sliced onions, drizzled with delicious creamy Greek yogurt sauce. And there you have it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and delicious meal ideas. See you next time. Thanks for watching to the end.